Hello, friend. Today, I want to say something about the time. It is said that the time is the most precious things on this planet. Okay, why it is the most precious things? Because once the time pass, once the time pass, once the time pass, you cannot bring back. No matter how much money you have. Okay, you can money of the all the persons having or all the whole world money you want to spend on this, you cannot stop the time, you cannot purchase the time. So time is what the most precious things. Okay, time is most precious things, and God has given in the free of cost to us. Okay, but what is happening? It is passing, it is passing, it is passing, it is passing. Daily it is passing, the time is passing. And we people also, what we are doing, we are not thinking about the time also. Okay, we are not thinking about the time. So what we are doing, if we are not thinking about the time, if you are not realizing what the time is all about, so it will be it will pass out, the time will pass out. And at the end, when we check our hand, there will be nothing in our hand. Normal persons, the average life of India, of any individual, okay, average life is 60 years. Average life is 60 years. What is this 60 years? Around 25 to 30 years gone will be spent in the study. Then around 10 to 15 or 20 years you will work. After that you will be old. And average life in India, it's day by day it is decreasing also. That we have to keep in mind also. So where is the time for life? So dear friend, this is the time. This is time. This is the time. If you want to do, you do now. You want to be happy, happy now. You want to study, study now. If you want to do some miracle, start now. So anything you want to do, you start now. Start now. Start now. And when you talk about the students, if you talk about there are 24 hours days, 24 hours in a day. Okay, and in that 24 hours in the day, how we are spending, we don't know. And how many, in a, if you talk about the uh, 1440 minutes are there per day, 1440 minutes are there in a day, and 168 hours per week. 168, 168, it it's not a big time. Weekly you have given 160 hours only. 160 hours, 160 hours, 68 hours. 168 hours, how you have to spend? You have to spend so much effective way so that you can have something. And when you talk about the years, how many hours in a years? That is 8760. 8760 hours in 1 year. 1 year, 8760 hours. 8000 only. It's not a big quantity. It's not a big time. 8000 hours. So many thousands will spend in sleeping. So many thousands will go here and there. So many. We cannot realize about time. That you try to think and try to visualize that you have very less time. And when you talk about in 60 years, 60 years, total number of days are there 21,900. In 60 years in India, the average life is 60 years. So total number of days are there 21,900. 21,900, not more than that. 21,900 only days are there in 60 years. And out of that, around out of 60 years, Out of 60, 30 years we are spending in our study, struggle. And 10 years or 15 years will go in the old age, where you cannot do anything with this body. So how many years are there? How many years are there? Hardly 10 years are there, 15 years are there. So you think, and total numbers of are 60 years, how many? It is 5,25,600. 5,25,600. 5 lakhs what? It is the monthly salary. It's just like a monthly salary. And the rich people spend this many money in their breakfast. So what I means to say, the time is confined. Time is fixed for each and every person. How you are spending, how is you are spending to do the miracle, how you are spending to do the miracle, that you have to keep in mind, that you have to use your time very effectively. When you talk about the student, those who are studying, okay, there are crores and crores students are there, they are trying to do something, but this is not a matter of only the knowing the knowledge, how effective, fast you are doing. That is also a matter nowadays. It's a thing. So you have to think that everybody is having the same amount of time, but how fast you are doing. It's a race. Life is a race. You go in the race. You go. It is a marathon. You go, and with that of time, how much frequent you are in that particular, how much your efficiency is there, that will determine your success. So I hope this video will be little bit helpful to you. You will start thinking about time, that we have very less time. You start thinking that you have very less time, and in this less time you have to do something for your life. You do whatever you want to do to be happy, just do that. You want to do study, just start now. There is no time. Once the time is passed, that will know, you cannot go back. Okay, so use your time very effective way. Where you are going, what are you doing, what is your destiny, these all things you do, and keep in your mind that time is a fixed. And everybody is racing, people are celebrating their birthday. Okay, what is this? You can celebrate, every day is your birthday. You spend in such a way that your life should be very happy. But you are celebrating birthday, but the time is passing actually. Time is passing. You need not to be happy for your birthday. Your 60 years is getting decreased every year. I am 33 years old. My life is, how much is it? How many years left? 20 to 25 years left. Okay, if I will survive 60 years, it is 27 years left. We have to live our life daily basis. You have to live your life daily basis. What is there your inside? Okay, from the inside you be content. From inside you be content. I hope this video will be helpful, student, and I hope that you people will utilize your time very effectively. Thank you so much for watching.